Power projects feel easier when the right tool is in your hands. Best Nail Gun for home use helps tackle repairs, trim work, furniture builds, and DIY upgrades with cleaner results and less effort. Here are the top picks built for reliability, comfort, and everyday performance around the house. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Worx Nitro Nail Gun. The Worx Nitro WX842L cordless brad nailer is a practical choice for homeowners and DIY users who want reliable fastening power without dealing with compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges. Powered by the Worx PowerShare 20V battery platform, this 18-gauge nail gun delivers smooth performance for projects like trim installation, crown molding, furniture repair, baseboards, and decorative woodworking. One of the biggest advantages of this model is the cordless design, which makes moving around workshops, garages, or job sites much easier. Users can work freely without being limited by cords or bulky air compressors, making setup quicker and cleanup simpler after the project is finished. This nail gun supports brad nails up to 2 inches, giving it enough strength for both light and medium-duty applications around the house. The firing action feels consistent, and the tool drives nails cleanly into wood surfaces with minimal effort. The tool-free jam release system is another useful feature because it allows users to clear nail jams quickly without wasting time searching for extra tools. For DIY enthusiasts who frequently switch between projects, that convenience can make a difference. The lightweight body also improves comfort during extended use, especially when working overhead or in tight corners.
Number 2. SXGSXG Brad Nail Gun. The SXGSXG Brad Nail Gun offers an affordable and versatile solution for homeowners, crafters, and beginner woodworkers who need a reliable cordless fastening tool for light to medium-duty projects. Designed as a 2-in-1 cordless nail gun, it can fire both 18-gauge brad nails and staples, making it suitable for furniture repair, upholstery work, trim installation, decorative crafts, and various DIY projects around the house. The ability to handle multiple fastener types increases its flexibility and gives users more value from a single tool. With support for brad nails ranging from 3/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch and staples from 5/16 to 7/8 inch, this nail gun can adapt to many different materials and project styles. One of the standout features of this model is the built-in safety protection nose. The firing mechanism only activates when the nail gun is pressed firmly against the work surface, helping prevent accidental discharge and improving safety during use. This makes the tool especially appealing for households where safety is a priority. The lightweight construction and ergonomic handle also contribute to better comfort, reducing strain during extended projects or repetitive tasks. Users working on detailed trim or upholstery tabs will appreciate the balanced feel and easy handling.
Number 3. Heimerdinger Compatible Nail Gun. The Heimerdinger Compatible Nail Gun is built for users who want strong, cordless performance combined with flexibility for a wide range of woodworking and construction tasks. Designed to work with Makita 18V batteries, this nail gun offers an excellent option for users who already own Makita cordless tools and want to expand their collection without investing in additional battery systems. By eliminating compressors, hoses, and gas cartridges, the tool creates a cleaner and more portable working experience, making it ideal for workshops, garages, renovation projects, and outdoor jobs where mobility matters. This 2-in-1 cordless nailer supports both 18-gauge brad nails and crown staples, giving users the ability to handle everything from trim work and cabinetry to upholstery and light roofing projects. Its support for nails up to 2 inches long adds impressive versatility, especially for hardwood applications where stronger penetration is required. One of the key highlights of this model is the air impact technology, which improves driving power and helps nails penetrate dense wood surfaces more efficiently. Users can switch between single firing and contact firing modes, depending on the type of project, allowing for either precise placement or faster repetitive work.
Number 4. CRAFTSMAN CMCN618 Nail Gun.
The CRAFTSMAN CMCN618 cordless finish nailer is designed for users who want dependable performance and professional-looking results without the hassle of pneumatic systems. This 18-gauge cordless finish nailer eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, and gas cartridges, allowing users to move freely while working on trim installations, cabinetry, furniture projects, moldings, and interior finishing tasks. The fully cordless design makes setup much faster and reduces clutter in workshops or job sites, which is especially useful for homeowners handling repairs and renovation projects on their own. One of the strongest features of the CRAFTSMAN CMCN618 is its consistent firing power across different materials and climate conditions. Whether working indoors during winter or handling projects in warmer environments, the tool maintains reliable nail-driving performance. This consistency helps reduce misfires and incomplete nail placement, creating cleaner finishes and reducing time spent on corrections. The nail gun also includes tool-free depth adjustment settings, allowing users to quickly fine-tune nail placement depending on the material being used. This feature is particularly valuable for delicate trim work where precision is important. The lightweight body and balanced center of gravity improve comfort during extended projects.
Number 5. NEU Powered Nail Gun. The NEU Master Cordless Nail Gun is a versatile and user-friendly fastening tool designed for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and hobby woodworkers who want cordless convenience for a variety of home projects. Featuring a practical 2-in-1 design, this tool can drive both 18-gauge brad nails and narrow crown staples, allowing users to tackle tasks such as upholstery installation, woodworking, decorative trim work, furniture repairs, and small construction projects. Its broad fastener compatibility gives it strong flexibility for users who regularly switch between different types of materials and project styles. One of the major strengths of this nail gun is its cordless portability. Without air hoses or bulky compressors, users can move freely around the workspace while enjoying faster setup and easier storage. The spiral-driven technology improves fastening performance and provides smooth, consistent nail driving for various DIY applications. Whether building a pet house, repairing furniture, or installing lightweight trim, the tool offers reliable operation while keeping the work area cleaner and less cluttered than traditional pneumatic nailers. Safety is another area where the NEU Master performs well. The durable contact safety system prevents accidental firing by requiring the nose of the nail gun to be fully pressed against the work surface before activation.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.